So we're at British Heart Foundation in Southampton again. We've got a Bosch Series 4 WAN2 for 1000 GB 19. Old classic drum and door sill. It's an eco silence drive, so it's an inverter. Next we've got a Zanussi Essential ZWF12070W1. $1200. A Bush WMT07112EW. And here, a treat for you people, we've got a little Zanussi Compact ZWC 1301 1300, a 3 kilogram. Wow, this brings back memories. This is really cute. And that's all the videos at that's all the wash machines at British Heart Foundation Southampton. Thank you, I'll see you later.